Stay with me because what you're about to discover might be the exact solution you've been looking for. Benefit 1. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. If you've started noticing stiffness or discomfort in your joints, especially in the mornings, turmeric water might be exactly what you need. As we age, joint issues like arthritis and general wear and tear on our bodies become more prevalent. After 50, inflammation becomes a common culprit behind joint pain, whether it's in your knees, hands, or hips. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It works by blocking certain enzymes and molecules that cause inflammation in the body. By drinking just 1 cup of turmeric water daily, you allow curcumin to reduce the inflammation that leads to stiffness and pain. Imagine waking up with less tightness in your joints, feeling more mobile and flexible as you go about your day. Many people report that after just a week of consistent use, they notice a significant decrease in their pain levels, allowing them to enjoy activities like walking, yoga, or even gardening with much less discomfort. Combined with light exercise and a balanced diet, turmeric water can truly transform how your body feels. Benefit 2. Boosts heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading concerns for people over 50, and maintaining heart health is critical to living a long, active life. Luckily, turmeric water can naturally support your cardiovascular system in several ways. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This improvement helps in regulating blood pressure and maintaining healthy blood flow, which reduces the strain on your heart. Furthermore, turmeric's powerful antioxidants work to reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress and inflammation are 2 major contributors to heart disease, leading to clogged arteries, high blood pressure, and other cardiovascular problems. Drinking turmeric water daily helps to combat these issues, keeping your arteries clear and your heart strong. In fact, studies have shown that consistent use of turmeric can lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes by promoting better circulation and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Over time, you'll notice your blood pressure stabilizing and your overall heart health improving, giving you the energy and peace of mind to live fully. Benefit 3. Enhances brain function. Maintaining sharp cognitive function is something we all think about as we get older. Memory lapses, difficulty focusing, or struggling to recall information can start to occur more frequently after 50. But what if a simple cup of turmeric water each day could help keep your brain sharp and healthy? Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that is essential for creating new brain cells and keeping existing ones healthy. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to conditions like Alzheimer's, depression, and general cognitive decline. By boosting BDNF production, turmeric can help protect the brain from these issues. Drinking turmeric water daily doesn't just help your brain in the short term by improving focus and memory. It also has long-term benefits by protecting against age-related mental decline. Imagine feeling more mentally clear and alert, being able to recall names, dates, and events more easily, and having the mental agility to continue learning new things well into your golden years. This simple daily habit can offer big rewards when it comes to keeping your mind sharp and your mood stable. Benefit 4. Improves digestive health. Have you ever felt bloated, uncomfortable, or had issues with digestion after eating? These issues tend to become more common as we age. Luckily, turmeric can be a natural solution to improve gut health and make digestion smoother. Curcumin stimulates the production of bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats in your food, making it easier for your body to process what you eat. This can significantly reduce feelings of bloating, indigestion, and gas. In addition to aiding fat digestion, turmeric water can soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation that often leads to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. By drinking turmeric water each morning, you'll be supporting your digestive system, allowing it to function more efficiently. You might notice that you feel lighter after meals, experience fewer issues with constipation or diarrhea, and have an overall sense of comfort in your gut. Plus, turmeric's antibacterial properties can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is key for both digestion and immunity. Over time, this can lead to a healthier, more resilient digestive system, helping you feel your best from the inside out. Benefit 5. Strengthens the immune system. As we get older, our immune system tends to weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. But with turmeric, you have a powerful ally to boost your immune defenses. Curcumin's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties play a major role in strengthening the immune system. Turmeric water helps stimulate the production of immune cells and enhances the body's ability to fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine can reduce the frequency of colds, flu, and even more serious infections. Over time, you'll notice you get sick less often, recover faster, and generally feel more resilient. Plus, curcumin's ability to combat free radicals also helps to prevent cellular damage, keeping your body in peak condition. This daily ritual not only boosts your immunity, but also supports your overall vitality and well-being as you age. Benefit 6. Aids in weight management. Weight management becomes increasingly difficult for many people after 50, due to changes in metabolism and hormonal shifts. Drinking turmeric water can help your body burn fat more efficiently, and may even prevent the growth of new fat cells. Curcumin has been shown to improve metabolic function by stimulating thermogenesis, a process that increases your body's ability to burn calories. By adding turmeric water to your daily routine, you're giving your metabolism a natural boost. Over time, this can help you maintain a healthier weight without drastic diets or intense exercise regimens. Combined with mindful eating and moderate physical activity, turmeric water becomes a valuable tool in helping you stay fit and energized. Plus, by helping to regulate blood sugar levels, it curbs cravings and keeps you from reaching for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Benefit 7. Supports liver detoxification. Your liver is one of the body's hardest working organs, responsible for filtering toxins and keeping your system clean. After 50, it becomes even more important to support liver function as it processes the toxins we encounter from food, medications, and the environment. Turmeric water can aid in liver detoxification, making this natural remedy a powerful supporter of your body's cleansing processes. Curcumin boosts the production of enzymes that help the liver break down and eliminate toxins. It also reduces inflammation in the liver and helps prevent the buildup of harmful fatty deposits that can lead to liver disease. Drinking turmeric water daily helps your liver perform at its best, allowing you to feel more energized and free from the fatigue that comes with toxin overload. Over time, you'll notice an increase in your energy levels, and your body will feel lighter and more balanced. Benefit 8. Promotes healthier, glowing skin. Our skin often shows the first signs of aging: wrinkles, dryness, and uneven tone. Turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. Drinking turmeric water daily provides your skin with the nutrients it needs to repair itself and fight off the damaging effects of free radicals that accelerate aging. Curcumin boosts collagen production, which helps improve skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps reduce redness and blemishes, promoting an even skin tone. With regular consumption of turmeric water, You may notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and more radiant. This simple addition to your routine can give you a natural, healthy glow without the need for expensive skincare products. Benefit 9. Enhances cardiovascular health. As we age, maintaining a healthy heart becomes even more critical. One of turmeric's standout benefits is its ability to enhance cardiovascular health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, improves blood vessel function, helping them remain flexible and healthy. This is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease, which is a leading concern after 50. Turmeric also helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL, creating a healthier balance in your blood vessels. Its anti-inflammatory properties work to reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to blockages, heart attacks, or strokes. By drinking turmeric water daily, you're actively supporting your heart's health, keeping your blood vessels clear, and promoting better circulation. Over time, this small habit could significantly lower your risk of serious cardiovascular problems, ensuring a longer, more vibrant life. Benefit 10. Supports bone health and prevents osteoporosis. As we get older, our bones naturally lose density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. This is a major concern for individuals over 50, particularly for women post-menopause. Luckily, turmeric water can offer some protection. Curcumin has been shown to help maintain bone density and reduce bone loss by enhancing the body's ability to absorb calcium. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also help in alleviating bone and joint pain, making it easier to stay active and mobile. By incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, you can help support your bones, reduce the risk of fractures, and keep your skeleton strong and healthy. This is especially important if you're looking to maintain an active lifestyle without the fear of weakening bones or debilitating pain. Benefit 11. Improves vision and eye health. Vision often declines as we age, with conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration becoming more common after 50. Turmeric, with its antioxidant-rich profile, can help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to age-related eye problems. Curcumin helps protect the delicate tissues in the eyes, reducing the risk of cataracts and slowing the progression of macular degeneration. Turmeric also promotes better blood flow to the retina, which is essential for maintaining sharp, clear vision. Regular consumption of turmeric water can keep your eyes healthier for longer, allowing you to enjoy clearer vision and reduce the chances of developing serious eye conditions later in life. Benefit 12. Lowers the risk of cancer. One of the most impressive long-term benefits of turmeric is its potential to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its anti-cancer properties. It helps prevent the growth and spread of cancerous cells by inhibiting the pathways that lead to tumor development. It is particularly effective in protecting against cancers of the digestive system, such as colon cancer, which can become a higher risk as we age. Turmeric's antioxidants also protect cells from DNA damage, a key factor in cancer development. By drinking turmeric water daily, you can introduce this powerful cancer-fighting compound into your body, helping to reduce inflammation and stop the proliferation of abnormal cells before they become a problem. This proactive approach can provide additional protection as part of a long-term health strategy. To truly get the most out of this incredible drink, it's simple, but it does take a bit of commitment. All you need is to take a teaspoon of turmeric, organic, if possible, and mix it into a cup of warm water. But here's a little secret you should know. Add a pinch of black pepper. It might sound strange, but that pinch of pepper helps your body absorb curcumin, the powerful compound in turmeric, much more effectively making it up to 2,000% more beneficial. Now, once you've got that mixture ready, give it a good stir. Some people like to add a bit of honey or a slice of lemon for taste, and it's a great way to make it even more enjoyable. Plus, you get a boost of extra antioxidants. The best time to drink it is first thing in the morning before breakfast when your stomach is empty. That way, your body can soak up all the goodness and start the day on the right note. Try drinking this turmeric water every day for at least a week, and you'll start noticing the changes. Whether it's less joint pain, clearer skin, or better digestion, the benefits will surprise you. And don't worry, you can keep this routine going long-term as part of your daily habits, or even use it occasionally as a gentle detox when you feel the need. Now, while this drink is great for most people, there are some situations where you should be careful. For instance, if you're taking blood thinners, turmeric might increase the risk of bleeding, so it's best to check with your doctor first. And if you're pregnant, turmeric in large amounts could stimulate the uterus, so it's better to avoid it. Also, if you've got gallbladder issues, this drink might not be the best for you, since turmeric can trigger bile production. Lastly, if you suffer from acid reflux or GERD, turmeric might make it worse. But here's the thing. If you're like most people, you're going to love how you feel after just a few days. More energy, less pain, and a lighter, healthier body overall. It's amazing what just one simple cup of turmeric water can do for you. So why keep this secret to yourself? Share it with your friends and family. Send them this video on WhatsApp and let them join you in feeling the benefits. It could be exactly what they need to improve their health, too.